Today we're going to be doing a hard drive replacement on a G4 Powerbook 1.25 gigahertz processor. First thing we're going to do is flip it over and take out the battery. Then we're going to take out the two screws which are located inside the battery compartment. Only one screw is shown here as I don't have the other one. Next we're going to take out the cover that covers the RAM. Take these four screws out, then you'll open it up and you'll see two screws at the bottom. You'll be taking these two screws out along with the four that are shown here at the bottom. Then the next thing you do is you're going to flip it over to its side and take out these three screws. Next we'll flip it over to the back. You'll notice there's two screws. You'll only be taking out one of these screws. You'll take out the one that's closest to the LCD. Do it on both sides. Again, the one that's located closer to the LCD. Next you'll flip it over to the back and take out these three screws. Then you'll flip the Powerbook open and you'll notice there's two Allen wrench screws on the top. You'll take these two out. This should make it easy for you to be able to put your two fingernails into the side between the keyboard and the chassis to be able to take it out. Use your two fingernails, pry apart the keyboard from the chassis. Then flip it over, do the same thing on the other side. This is the most difficult part of this disassembly. There's a hidden tab which attaches the keyboard to the chassis. You'll be required to purchase a special tool to disengage the tab. The tab is located just to the left of the optical drive. If you pry your keyboard apart, you'll be able to see it. Now go get your special tool. Here is a better look at the tab. Fashion your tool bestly. You want to bend the paper clip at a 90-degree angle, pry apart the keyboard from the chassis, and slide your tool in. Once you've pried the keyboard up so you have access to the tab, slide your tool in there next to the tab and pull the tab towards you while pushing the keyboard up and away from the chassis. Flip the keyboard up against the LCD and you'll have full access to the hard drive. wanted to give you one last look at what this prong looks like that you use to pry the keyboard away from the chassis. It fits in that little gap right there, so you need to use your paper clip, pull it towards you while prying the keyboard up off the chassis.